Alright, hey guys, the 2013 Impala is here. So this time, got a check engine light. And I plug in the scanner, it's complaining about the EVAP, no purge, and the EVAP, so annoying. Yeah, let me activate the solenoid to see if I can hear any noise. If not, probably just replace it. The solenoid is is next to the engine, so it's pretty easy on this job, I guess. But we'll see. Alright, the EVAP stuff is like follow this line, the solenoid. So let's remove the beauty cover. Right here, that's the purge valve solenoid attached to the charcoal canister. So let me use the scanner to activate this to can I hear any clicking noise. If not, it's probably dead. So here's the purge solenoid. Alright, let's go to the engine bay. Alright, let me increase the... It just keep clicking. Alright, another way you can check, you can unplug the electrical connector and the vent tube. Well, I need to replace it, so I'm going to disconnect it. And then this one should be up. So push this tab down all the way and then pull from the back. So now if I start the car, you should feel like a vacuum right here because the solenoid is stuck open. So here's what it looks like for the vent tube. So pushing like the top part here to release it. Yeah, it was like that, so it's locked. So now I push this down, you can see the hole, and then just pull it from the solenoid. Yeah, now if you put your thumb here, you can feel it suction. You can hear that? Yeah, you see it popping, it's creating suction. So this valve is stuck open. It means the solenoid inside probably have some problem. Yeah, that's another way to check if the valve still functioning or not. Alright, well, lucky enough, we got the new part. Here's the part number. It's a GN genuine. This valve should be pretty easy. Just one 10mm bolt right there. A 10mm of extension should do the work. Alright, it should just...
Start, okay.
Alright, that's the old one, which is I can blow air through it. Wow, man, it tastes nasty. And this is the new one. The air cannot pass through when I blew on it. Yeah, alright. So let's double check. That's the new one, that's the old one. Oh, that's nice. They give you a new bolt. It's a Bosch. The part number is slightly different, but the shape is same, I believe. Yeah, it's the same shape, same orientation on the vacuum hose and the connector. Well, that might be the better improvement, right? The number's different. The installation just reverse. Let me put a little bit of like a silicone here to easy to install. I put some silicone paste just a little bit around the gasket. Yeah, it's just easy to install. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, it's in. So now just tie down the bolt. It's a 10 millimeter, should be like 7 foot-pound of torque. Alright, should be good. Nice and tight. Yeah, now I don't feel the suction, so I think it's good. So I can put everything back in. Alright, that one's tight. I want to shut off the vehicle first. Alright, pushing in, make sure it's like all the way, not all the way, at least like you push it in and try to do the pull test. Yeah, now I cannot take it out, which is good. And then I'll plug back in the connector. Alright, now I'm go ahead and activate the solenoid and see what's going on. Alright, it's still moving, but like it's much quieter this time, so I think it's working. So now I can go and erase the code and see what happened. Let's see, escape, trouble codes, erase codes. Yep, delete. Okay. Read the code again. DTC. Okay, that's good. So now I can cycle the key. Which is like shut it off, pull it, and then start the engine. And then read the code again. Alright, I think that's it. So got a new solenoid and it works, no more code. The only thing left, put the engine cover back on. So oil fuel cap, make sure everything's tight. It is. Alright, put the oil fuel cap back on. Couple tap. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. I think there's the solenoid purge valve, or the purge solenoid for the EVAP canister is fixed. Well, besides replace it, of course fixed, right? Alright, have a nice day, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.